bienvenidos a mi canal. Hi and welcome to my channel. If you guys want to know how I make this delicious ground beef en salsa verde, cómo hacer esta salsa verde de carne molida, siguen viendo. Keep on watching, you guys, if you want to know how to cook this ground beef with papas and nopal and salsa verde. Thank you. Siguen viendo. Keep watching. Bueno, aquí lo que vamos a hacer es le vamos a agregar poquito aceite. We're just going to add a little bit of oil. Y lo vamos a dejar calentar con la herejita. Okay, then we're going to add our ground beef. Vamos a agregar el ground beef. Un poquito de sal. A little bit of salt. So, aquí lo que tenemos es 3 libras de carne molida. Okay. Y la vamos a dejar cocinar. Y la vamos a mezclar. Here we have 3 pounds of ground beef. We're going to let it cook down a little bit so we can smash it up, add our seasoning. And now that's 3 pounds of ground beef. So here I'm just breaking the ground beef down. Aquí nomás estoy mezclando la carne molida para estar inspeccionado. Okay. So ahora lo que vamos a hacer es agregarle sal. We're going to add some salt. That's just about 2 handfuls, como dos manías. Garlic, a su sabor. Garlic powder, con polvo, a su gusto. Y ahora el pepper, ¿ok? Así, pimiento negro. Todo a tu gusto. Everything to your liking. Y la vamos a dejar cocinar, we let it cook, and then we'll mix it, okay? So now we're going to do the mix. We're going to go ahead and let it cook down. And then we're going to add our other papas and the salsa and the nopales. So here, as you see, it has its jugos. So I'm going to go ahead and add the papas. Okay, just giving it one more quick mix. This doesn't take too long. Este no toma mucho tiempo. Como es carne molida, la carne más barata, the most cheapest meat you can buy. But it's a quick meal in itself. So, vamos a agregar, okay? Keep on watching. Siguen viendo. Here we have 5 papas picados en cúbicos, or whatever, little squares. Okay. So 5 potatoes peeled and cut into cubes. And we're going to add this to the salsa. Let's add the potatoes. Vamos a agregar las papas. Okay, I'm just going to spread it because needs a little bit of salt. Ya probé la carne y le falta un poco de sal, so lo voy a agregar, okay? Remember, taste your food before you guys add anything to make sure it's good with flavor, okay? Siguen probando su comida, porque en cada etapa hay sabor, pero si le falta, le agregas. Okay, so vamos a hacerle mix. Mix this. So for the salsa, we'll need 9 chiles serranos y 20 tomatillos, 20 tomatoes, green tomatoes, and 9 chili serranos. And then we're going to also blend, vamos a moler juntos, es epazote y cebolla media, and 7 ajos, 7 garlics, half an onion, and a bunch of epazote. So this is just for the salsa itself with sal. Okay, so lo que vamos a echar a la licuadora, we're going to add to the blender is the epazote. Okay. We're going to add the Okay, this alone, así está bueno. By itself, it's good like that for like some burritos or something. Ahorita lo voy a agregar la salsa. We're gonna add the salsa, but get what else salsa is good for this one. Salsa de chile guajillo. Okay, chile guajillo salsa es bueno para esto. So ahora lo que vamos a hacer es agregar la salsa verde. Mira, qué delicia. Pueden ver eso. Okay, so we're adding the salsa and we're gonna give it a mix. Doesn't that look good? ¿No se mira rico eso? Muy bueno. Alguien le gusta el olor, mira, lo está sentadito y viendo. But anyways, don't forget to make sure guys this food, no se lo olviden mezclar sus comidas. Mira que rico, mira. And so far I've had it on here 5 minutos, about 5 minutes I've already had it on here, stirring occasionally. Okay, so let's go about a few more minutes because the papas still look a little undercooked. Okay. ¿Cómo se mira? How does it look? Give me thumbs up if you guys like what you see. Comparte. Don't forget to share, like. Mira eso. He would love it if you would just subscribe, like, and share. Additional 3 minutos. Vamos a chequear. 3 minutes, and we're just going to do the last mix, and then we're going to check the papa with the toothpick. Vamos a tratar las papas con una picadientes para ver si ya están todos por dentro. Okay. Vamos a chequear esta se ve que está medio como que le falta, you know what I mean? Vamos a ver. Que respira. Okay, so that's it. Ya terminamos. Okay, if you guys like what you see, you guys know what to do. Por favor, like and subscribe. Comparten. Don't forget. Give me a thumbs up. And try it, okay? Tratan de hacerlo. Simple and easy. Okay. Bueno. Now we're gonna go ahead and shut it off, okay? Te voy a dar una prueba, una muestra. We're gonna go and do a little taste run, okay? Siguen viendo. Okay, now we're back.